Hi, I'm Gil Belfler, and welcome to this month's Recipe for Success, where we go throughout the community and we go to businesses and people and we ask them 3 very important questions. Today we have Tiffany and Jan from Team Niagara Lymphoma Awareness and Assistance. Hi guys.
Hi.
So question number 1, what is lymphoma?
Well, lymphoma is a disease of the lymphatic system. It affects the white cells, which actually control the immune system.
Question number 2, who is TNLANA?
TNLAA, Team Niagara Lymphoma Awareness and Assistance, is a nonprofit registered organization that help adults in the Niagara region that are undergoing chemotherapy that have lymphoma.
Okay, number 3, why donate? Why should the people donate to your cause?
Here in Niagara Falls, we are the only nonprofit registered organization that help people who have lymphoma while they're undergoing chemotherapy. We provide them with financial assistance, which have out-of-pocket costs like gas, their parking, and their breakfast, lunch, or dinners.
So as you know, we do a draw each month for everybody that shares our stuff on Facebook. We appreciate it so much. Today we have 2 $50 gift cards for the keg. One of these gift cards will go to the name drawn, and the other one will go as a donation to their cause, and they could use it at their next event in this person's name. Okay, who's going to be the monthly winner?
Oh, there we go. Scott Purdue.
Scotty Purdue, congratulations, you won. Okay, so I'll come by and see you for your $50 gift card. Everybody, thank you so much for donating this and for sharing our stuff on Facebook. We can't do it without you. Thanks, guys.